Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain DEPOP app review to see with what you're using. So to get started with the in-app review about DEPOP. DEPOP is a popular resale platform focused on vintage, streetwear, and Y2K fashion. It offers social media styles layout where users can buy and sell clothing, follow sellers, and explore curated fashion feed. It's easy to set up a shop, list items and follow target, and you receive payment securely, making it a great for casual sellers and a trade-driven shoppers. That said, some users report glitches, slow customer support, and issues with non-paying buyers. Still, if you are into unique second-hand fashion or want to flip clothes for extra cash, the Depop app is worth it as long as you manage sales carefully. And that's it. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.